Good morning. It's currently 7 a.m. or 7:15 here. And I'm on my way to the airport in Copenhagen. Oh, and there goes my metro. I am gonna go straight ahead to Austria. My flight is delayed. Now, choices. This pizza house. Oh, snap. It glides so well. I can have it with me everywhere. I am fangirling, okay? New espresso house. Coffee acquired, ready to go. Is there not too much turbulence? I think we should be fine. Wish me luck. Midnight snack acquired. Upstairs we go. By the way, this is Eva's herb. Don't mind us. Hehe. Hello. Morning, everyone. Or it's actually afternoon. But I am out chilling on the porch. We're not doing much today, but we are gonna go for a walk since it's wonderful weather. We might walk up the mountain, so a bit of a hike, I would say. It's really comfortable outside, and I'm enjoying the porch again. It's nice. I really like it. What? Hello? You are supposed to be here too, no?
Nope,
Yes.
I'm not here.
Chinkins. Hehe. Rabbits. Cute. Cutie. Hello. How do you do? No, no. Aww. That is so pretty. Hello. We are on our way out to get some pizza. We overslept a little bit, had a nap, and then forgot time. So we are going for a nice pizza, but it's a holiday thingy here, so not much is open, and the place we wanted to go is not open anymore. But it's fine. Food. Oh, that is mine. Hell yeah. Tuk. Hello everyone. Good morning. Today we are gonna go to a chocolate factory. We had some stuff. Fueling the tank, for example. And then we are gonna go to a chocolate museum where we are gonna see a lot of chocolates being made, taste chocolates and so on, maybe get some for home. I'm really excited. I hope I can film some in there, but if we can't, I will show you like what we are ending up getting and talk about it later today. So yeah, I'm super excited. I'll see you later. Thank you. It will be your trusted companion and only interactive. Oh my god, that is so cool. Can you take it from me? Nope. Thank you. Then you started like tasting ingredients, and we got to taste the chocolate with mixed ingredients like the raspberry one, which was super fun as well. It tastes good. You got like a little cute spoon that you then like poured into, and then you got to like taste everything area with like a really pretty view too, where you could mix and match your own chocolate, and then it was produced for you. We had one made each. Well, Ivo had one made for me. I chose the flavors, but it's a gift from him, which he then chose in a heart shape, which was so cute. I'm gonna I have another one open that I'm gonna show you. We went into the store and bought a lot of chocolate, and that's what I'm gonna show you now. So first off, the heart chocolate that Ivo bought me. It was so cute. So it's like mix and match for what we like, and I think you get like this is like the little card that comes with it, where it says "Mein Mix für dich," which means my mix for you, which is so cute. I thought it was adorable. I was like, oh, that's cute. It has raspberry chocolate mixed with a more darker chocolate, like it was 70 or 80% chocolate, because I love raspberry and like darker chocolate. He was so sweet. He chose for me, well, not chose for me, but he let me choose, and then made it like known for this, is because the chocolate percentage, like the raw chocolate, is 40%, which is a lot for chocolate, which makes it really freaking good. Like it made I don't really like milk chocolate, but this milk chocolate, that is good. But wait, aka cherry with we eat it at Christmas. I don't remember what it's called in English, but it's like it's almond in a like mass instead, and you eat it with chocolate, and it has like this sweet kind of taste. Salzkaramell. Salzkaramell, which means salted caramel chocolate. Amarena Kirsch, which means Amarena cherry. So it's a specific cherry. My mom loves cherries, that's why I bought so many of the cherry ones. I thought I'd gotten one for myself. I think I forgot in the hassle. Oh well, I have my heart. Or Ivo has my heart. But you know what just kidding, but you know what I mean. Anywho, that was all the chocolate. My receipt was also like miles long. But she was sweet, the lady. She was having a big smile because she never able to buy it. Well, Ivo did also tell me that what we had bought for was like the chocolate here was quite expensive. But in Denmark, if you buy this, like the price in terms of that was like way more in Denmark. So I think to me it didn't feel as bad as it might have been. I mean, so that was it for me. And the end of today. I'm gonna play Animal Crossing now with boyfriend, so I won't be filming anymore today. I'm gonna go jump in my pajamas, and then I'll see you all tomorrow. Put it in my ass.